Itimango.
Asomo muma.
Itimango.
Asomo muma.
Isomo muma. Itimango. Asomo muma. Itimango. Asomo muma. That means you're reading the Bible. What are you doing? I am reading the Bible. Itimango. Asomo muma. So when you're reading the Bible, you say asomo muma. If you're two people and you're reading the Bible, go and read with her. Now if you're two people and you're both reading the Bible, read together. Now you say wasomo muma. Or you say what? Wasomo muma. Itimango.
Wasomo muma.
Wasomo muma. Alright, let's say it together again. Wasomo muma. Very good.